Let's learn how to scan a part. Navigate to Bluon in WEX FSM and let's begin. Tap Scan Part to scan a part's barcode or label. When you're ready, tap Scan a Part and select Take Photo or Choose from Gallery to collect part data. This will scan the part info and pull in all the necessary data. Select the part you want to review. From here you can view part specs and all suggested replacement parts. This is great for helping technicians identify OEM and aftermarket or generic compatible replacement parts directly on the job site. Once you find the part you need, tap the Share button, then tap Copy Part Info to Clipboard. You can navigate back to WEX FSM and paste the part details into a job note, purchase order, or flag for follow-up to ensure accuracy when ordering. Next up, let's troubleshoot in the field with Bluon's MasterMechanic AI. Scan and select your equipment, then select Get AI Support. Let's choose No Cooling, Troubleshoot, and type your prompt to ask the AI for advice. System is turning on but not blowing cold air. Then tap Submit. Bluon's MasterMechanic AI will provide guidance on what to do. This is an incredible tool, especially for newer techs who are still getting the hang of things. Being able to solve a problem on the spot without having to call a supervisor saves time and truly builds confidence. The MasterMechanic AI is trained on years of technician call data and specific unit information directly from the manufacturer. From here, you can listen to the answer, copy the info to paste elsewhere, ask follow-up questions to dial in the answer, or simply explain deeper to get a more in-depth answer. You can also ask questions using the user manuals. After scanning a model and getting the details, select Get AI Support. Then select Ask Manuals and ask your question. How do I wire up this system? Bluon will provide an answer using the manuals for this unit. You can continue to chat with the MasterMechanic AI to get the answer you need. Once the job is complete, you can quickly generate a job summary using all the notes from MasterMechanic AI. Simply tap Job Summary in the bottom left, let the AI know you've resolved the issue, add any additional context you want considered in the summary, and tap Submit. Bluon will create a summary of the work done on this job today. You can copy and paste this summary into the job in WEX FSM. Tap the X in the top left to go back, or use the navigation buttons at the bottom to return to previous pages or the Bluon home screen. Having a concise and accurate job summary provided instantly can save time on every job.